The course is called Mechatronics. It's an area kind of at the intersection of mechanical and electrical engineering. So we're looking at not just circuits, but circuits that interact with the physical world using sensors and motors. So lots of things inside appliances and devices that we use every day. The students get their own individual circuit kit for the class that they get to take home with them, and they can use it on homework assignments and in lecture activities. The circuit kits really make sure that every student in the course gets to do all of the things and experience all of the equipment in the course. So we are starting the first half of the semester with an individual project where students get to pick what they do. We have a student who made a little sign that flips out to remind people to take their shoes off coming into her apartment. Other things like contactless doorknob opening, that sort of thing. It's interesting, again, when you give students that kind of creativity and choice what they pick to do, they get to work in teams for the second half of the semester as well. So hopefully, having gone through that individual project first and everybody kind of having the different experience and skills, then the robot project will be a little easier for them to do this time.
What are you doing?
What is it doing?
What are you doing?
You're fine, sir. You're fine. Wait, you did so well the first time.
I wonder if it's stuck in a loop somewhere.
That's really what real engineering is all about, right? You know, when we're out there designing spacecraft or cars or, you know, whatever the devices are, it's not just something where the final answer is X equals 2. So this is where students kind of start to get that taste of tackling a much more open-ended project and dealing with those constraints, and something where you do have a final deliverable, but there isn't necessarily a yes, this is right, or no, that's wrong. Hopefully it sort of demystifies how all of these things that just kind of surround us that we take for granted every day, how they actually work, and as a professional engineer in the future, it makes you more confident that you could actually design and build something like that yourself.